Careful with the eggs, partner.
Don't worry, I've got this.
Good, the customers are watching.
Fresh eggs for sale. Come to the market. Don't miss out. Yoo-hoo! Fresh eggs here.
Why did the monkey bring a ladder to the market?
Because he wanted to reach the high prices in the fruit stall. Welcome to our market, where everyone is smiling and bringing you the freshest goods straight from the farm to your table, creating a happy community environment.